Do you want to learn how to change the playback speed of TikTok videos? In this video, I will show you the simple steps you need to take to change the playback speed of any TikTok video. So make sure to watch this video until the very end to understand the tutorial properly. To get started, open up the TikTok app and then go over to any TikTok video. After that, tap on the arrow icon at the bottom right. So now what you want to do next is swipe left on the options at the bottom. And now you'll see an option called Playback Speed. Simply tap Playback Speed. And now you have the ability to change the playback speed. If you want to speed up the TikTok video, select 2x or 1.5x. If you want to slow down the TikTok video, select 0.5x. If you want to watch it at normal speed, just select normal. Just tap and select anything you like, and this specific TikTok video will play at the speed that you selected. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.